Namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most colorful and vibrant festivals of India, Holi. Holi is celebrated across the country with great enthusiasm and zeal, but have you ever wondered how this festival was celebrated in ancient India? In this video, we will explore the historical significance of Holi and how it was celebrated in ancient times. Holi is believed to have originated in ancient India and has its roots in Hindu mythology. It is said that the festival was celebrated in honor of Lord Krishna, who is one of the most beloved deities in Hinduism. According to legend, Lord Krishna used to celebrate Holi with his friends in his hometown of Vrindavan, and it is from there that the tradition of playing with colors and water originated. In ancient India, Holi was celebrated as a harvest festival and was also known as Vasantotsava, which means the spring festival. It marked the end of winter and the beginning of spring and was celebrated with great enthusiasm and joy. People used to decorate their homes with flowers and colorful rangolis, and streets were filled with vibrant processions and music. One of the main rituals of Holi was the lighting of the Holika bonfire, which is still an essential part of the festival. It is believed that the bonfire represents the victory of good over evil and symbolizes the burning of Holika, the demoness who tried to kill Lord Krishna. People used to gather around the bonfire and offer prayers to Lord Vishnu, who is the preserver of the universe. Another important aspect of Holi was the playing of colors and water. In ancient times, people used to play with natural colors made from flowers, herbs, and leaves. They would smear each other's faces with colors and pour water on each other, symbolizing the coming of spring and the rebirth of nature. Food was also an integral part of Holi celebrations, and people used to prepare delicious sweets and savory dishes to share with their friends and family. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about how Holi was celebrated in ancient India. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Thank you for watching and happy Holi!